Okay, good morning. Here's today's big question. I need somebody's help. I don't know what's going on. My Midnight Classic is working back wonderfully again, except it's showing SMA. What the hell is SMA? It shows SMA bulk, SMA absorb, SMA float. Now this thing's about, I don't know, 5-6 years old. I have never seen SMA. It's not in the book. So anyway, I'm asking for help. Anybody out there got a Midnight Classic? Have you ever seen SMA? What the heck does that mean? How did it get there? I was having trouble with the kilowatt meter. It would get up about 10 kilowatts and go back to 0. Or at night it would show 10 kilowatts, and in the morning it would start showing 11. Right now it's about 10 a.m. as I'm filming this. But the question is, what's SMA? Anybody know? Please let me know. Thanks. Midnight's working fine. I would just love to know what the hell SMA is. Alright, thanks for watching. I hope somebody can figure this out because it's not in the owner's manual. Bye for now.